Today, we're going to learn how to use it intentionally instead of fighting against it. Because fifth lines, this is an honest moment I want you to take away, because if you've ever felt misunderstood, if people assume you do things you've never offered, if they expect you to solve problems you didn't actually create, if your DMs fill with people asking you just to tell them what to do, and if you feel pressure to be the rescuer, the fixer, the one with the answers, it's not a coincidence. This is your fifth line aura. It is part of your karma. Hey, you ready? Let's do this. This aura that makes you so incredibly magnificent and magnetic in your marketing, it's only going to work if your message is clear. When your position is muddy, when people make up stories about you, when your positioning is clear and simple, people instantly recognize you as the one to help them, right? So when you're muddy, people project stories. When you're clear and simple, people recognize exactly what it is that you can help them with.